Welcome to the Proquest newspaper database tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how you can use this database to search for news articles. John is enrolled in the business ethics class at Sitting Bull College. His instructor asks him to write a short essay discussing recent examples in the news demonstrating ethical issues. John imagines what type of business ethics topic he would like to explore for his essay. He remembers a story he heard recently on the radio about businesses that are demonstrating responsible ethics in regards to environmental concerns and green technology. John decides to look for recent news stories about businesses practicing ethical environmental policies. John imagines that articles from newspapers will be the best type of source to discuss in his essay. He visits the Sitting Bull College Library Business Resources webpage and sees that the Proquest newspaper database contains articles from hundreds of newspapers from around the world. Before starting to search the database, John writes down a few keywords that might be related to his topic. His list includes business, environment, and ethics. He thinks again about the radio program and decides to add green technology to the list of his keywords.
John logs in. John is on the main page of Proquest's News and Newspapers database. He sees a simple search box, reminiscent of Google's search box. He types in his query, Green Business Ethics. As John looks through the search results, he realizes that his search terms are not giving him news articles related to his topic. On the search results page, John notices the suggested subjects box. He clicks View All and sees some decent suggestions. Business ethics and corporate responsibility may be related, but it is not exactly what he is searching for. John decides the best option is the advanced search. The advanced search page has multiple boxes to allow John to search multiple terms. As he types business in the first box, he takes note that Proquest suggests search terms. John recalls that his basic search of green business ethics was insufficient, largely due to the word green and its various meanings. Because of this, in the second search box, he types environmental responsibility. John scrolls down to see more advanced options. For language, he chooses English. If he later chooses to focus on a specific location, he can narrow his search even further that way. If he only wants news articles, he can revise his search to only news. Satisfied with his search terms and options, he clicks Search. John examines his search results. For the first result, he hovers his mouse over Preview to read the abstract. This is an article praising a specific business and its environmental mission. John can definitely use his article for his assignment. For the second search result, he once again checks the abstract. It is a broad introduction to business enterprises and environmental responsibility. This is a great start to his research.
Now that John's query has produced a set of relevant documents, he can use Proquest results filtering tools to find the perfect articles for his specific needs. These can be found in the pane along the right side of the screen. The filtering pane allows John to isolate documents according to their source type, publication title, document type, subject and classification, and other criteria. In this case, John decides he wants to filter his results using their subject headings, so he clicks on Subject. Clicking on the filtering option shows a list of the appropriate terms found in the documents in the search results, in this case, a list of subject headings. On this screen, you can choose to specify whether certain terms must be included or excluded from the search results by clicking on the appropriate checkbox next to a particular item. John knows that he wants results specifically related to corporate responsibility, so he clicks on the Include checkbox next to Corporate Responsibility to ensure Proquest only shows results with corporate responsibility in its subject listing. Also note that multiple terms may be selected. Now click the Apply button to show the filtered search results. Now John has a smaller set of documents specifically related to his topic. Filtering options, once selected, remain unless they are deleted by clicking the red X button to the right of the option. They can also be combined. In this case, John wants to only use newspaper articles, so he clicks on Source Type. In the event that a small number of appropriate terms are found in the search results, such as in this case, a list of the most frequently found terms is shown, although a full list can still be viewed by clicking More Options. Clicking on the result in this smaller list then directly adds that filtering option without having to go to a menu. John clicks on Newspapers to narrow his results to newspapers only. Using the filtering tools, John is taking his initial large set of search results and reduced it to a smaller set of documents that specifically fit his information needs.